In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shareable video link on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your video, adjust access, and copy a link you can send to anyone. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the menu that appears, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. This is where your files live in the cloud and where you'll upload the video you want to share. Once Drive is open, look to the top left corner and click New. From the drop-down, select File Upload. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the folder that contains your video, select the file, and confirm. You can upload common formats like MP4 and MOVI, but large files may take a while, especially on a slower connection. Watch the upload status in the bottom right corner of Drive. Wait until it shows that the upload is complete. After that, Drive may still process the video so it can play in the browser. Processing time varies with file size. If playback isn't available immediately, give it a little time. The file is still there, and you can continue with sharing. Locate the uploaded video in your Drive. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. Hover your mouse over Share, then click Share. This opens the sharing window, where you control who can open the file. Look for the General Access section. By default, many accounts show Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can view the file. To create a link that anyone can open, change this setting to Anyone with the link. Just below that, check the role. Viewer is the safest option for a public link, allowing people to watch or download without making changes. Commenter or editor is rarely necessary for a video link and could expose your file to unwanted edits, so choose those only if you truly need them. Once you've set general access to anyone with the link and confirmed the role, click Copy Link. Your shareable link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, a chat, a document, or a social post. If someone tells you the link isn't opening yet, it may still be processing for in-browser playback. They can try again shortly or download the file directly if allowed. That's it. You've uploaded your video to Google Drive, adjusted access, and copied a shareable link.